top 3 things, tech efficiency is always going to be my top. I'm still to this day, 20 years in the industry, shocked at either the lack of understanding of tech efficiency. I've had people regurgitate to me what tech efficiency is, and it's absolutely incorrect measurable. And then I've also had where people don't realize the impact of tech efficiency, because what happens most of the time is in business, you throw heads at problems. It's just across any industry. When you see a gap, a lot of people think we need to hire somebody for that. So when you're seeing that you can't hit capacity in the HVAC space, is it really that you need another tech, or is your tech inefficient? Like, that's the question.